In today's session, we will discuss about joiner transformation. So, a joiner transformation, with the name itself, you will get to know it is used to join a data set, multiple data sets, we can say. Okay, if we compare it with SQL's queries which we were writing it on database to join two tables, we are using where clause, right? Same way here also, in the joiner transformation we require a two input values, two input data sets, and then the common column condition. Okay, so here I have already created a sample mapping where I have selected two sources, and then I have added joiner transformation and then target. Okay, source side, you already know the configuration, so you require two sets of data, and in the joiner transformation, incoming fields, so you can filter it out which all columns required, and then you need to do the join condition configuration. So here it will give options like join type, which join type you want to use. So here we have a normal, master outer, detail outer, full outer. Okay, normal join, it fetches unique records, and then master outer, it fetches data from master table, and then matching records from opposite table, the second table. Detail outer, it fetches data from detail table and then matching records from outer table. Full outer, it fetches all records from both the tables. Okay, so for this particular example, I am using normal joining type itself. So source account ID and then account ID are the common columns. It will be like in the master table we have a account ID as a column, and then in the second table we have a account ID column. So that's a common column which I am using it to join both the tables, and then we'll fetch a matching records. Okay, and then in the target transformation I am using only required columns. So I filtered out few columns here. Okay. Account ID, I'm fetching it from sample file. Okay. And then from master table we'll use this form. Okay, sample file, three columns, and then from master table, master file, two columns I am using it. Okay, here also one column selected, show only selected. Okay, these are the columns which I am going to populate it into target. Okay, so just save mapping. So here I'm going to create a file at the runtime. Okay, so select join data. Okay, save it. Just check it whether your mapping is valid or not. Mapping is valid. Run the job. Okay, job is getting queued. Now it's running. We'll wait for a couple of seconds. So it needs to read two sets of data, and then based on the common column, it needs to join both the data sets and then the merged data set, the unique records, it will populate to target file. Okay, so here you can see 1756 record got processed. Okay, let's check whether the common column which we have used, whether we got the proper data set or not. Okay, for that we'll use source, the target file where we have populated. So joiner data 1, that's the file name what we have given, right? So that will select and then preview data. So here you can see these values were matching. So that means the joiner transformation joins the data set based on these columns, and then it fetches data from master table, other columns, and then from a second file also other values populated. So here you can see it is from a master table and this one is from a detail table. Okay, so this is the way you need to use a joiner transformation. So try it out from your end and then let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.